Alright guys, so test drive ta sa 500 SR Boom. So thank you so much, shout out brother, for letting me drive your wonderful machine. So nainera ta, just try to test good and feel ang yang power. Kay one of the things that you have to understand good, pag niabot, if you're driving an inline 2 nya mo transfer ka sa inline 4, yes, na siya yung power difference og sa torque. Mga 500 yun is grabe dyan siya ka torque. So you have to make sure nga halalay lang ka sa throttle and make sure nga dili dyan mo siya ipuga. So that's one of the things that you have to understand kung mo drive ka og mga inline 4 and mga 500cc pataas, or even mga ZX6R. Alright, damn, sinduta sa yung kono, nasa ka ng nasa yung map ba? Shush, what's up? Test drive 500 SR Boom. 1 down 5 up, naka GP 1 up 5 down.
One down, 5 up.
Okay. Alright guys, be very careful. Grabe ka relax yung riding position, no? Upright guys, oh. And lahat ka power. So since wala pa man yung brake in, no? The brakes are really good, very smooth. So narata sa 3rd gear. Power delivery is very amazing. Whoa! Grabe. Definitely has some power in it. Grabe ka. Grabe ka, nice. Oh my god. So grabe siya ka powerful in terms of, actually burag dili na nimo siya need nga gamay ra nimo i-let go ang iyang clutch, mudaga na din siya. So right off the bat, no, one thing akong na-notice good is ang power niya is very smooth. The power delivery from first gear, second gear, third gear is very very smooth. Ang quick shifter po niya, well actually wala pa na ako na-try ang quick shifter, so pagbalik na to atong i-try ang quick shifter niya. But damn, it's so smooth. And ang iyang stability sa corner is very stable. Although upright lang kay siya, I wanted to be more aggressive, so probably because of that seat height and all. Pero grabe, super relaxed, so relaxed na kay siya. And again, power dili ka bitinon. And again, that's because of the inline 4 niya. So wapa na to siya na max out, no, kay braking period pa man siya, so we have to stay at 6,500 rpm on each gear. So tama na ta 4th gear, first gear to 4th gear. But yeah, man, this is good, very good. Grabe! The best! Di ka bitinon eh.
Ha?
Di ka bitinon sa power. Damn! Shit! What the fuck, man? Layo na kayo.
Oo ba?
Difference. Right off the bat. Tuoy difference yun.
Oo ba?
In terms of kanang ayang power ba. Kay sa gamay rin mo ano na dayon siya. And third gear ako, third gear, fourth gear. Pero nag-stay ko sa 6.5. Pero 90? Dali na kaya up to ng 90? What the fuck, bro? Kabalo na kung anong konsa na siya vibration. Kay ang imong engine tungod kay wala pa yun siya na break in og tarong, dili pa siya smooth sa high RPM. So dapat pag maabot na 6.5, 7.5, imo just na i-full to 10,000. Dayon, dali ka, di ako magdula permi. 6.5, 10,000 pagka taud-taud niya kay mawala na din siya. Smooth na din siya. Damn, man. You have a good bike, man.
Thank you, thank you.
You have a good bike.